Hello everyone, my name is Xiomara. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to explain a little bit of a phoneme. You probably already know that in English we have different sounds or phonemes that we combine together to make words. And in this video, I'm going to explain the place of articulation, the manner of articulation, and the voicing of this phoneme. As you can see in the image, I have the sound as in think, and here the place of articulation of the phoneme is interdental because the tongue is between the upper and the lower teeth. As you can see here, the tongue is between them, and for that this is an interdental sound. And the manner of articulation means how the airflow is constricted in the vocal tract, and this is fricative because the tongue approaches but does not make contact with the place of articulation. So this is fricative, and this is a voiceless sound because you don't feel vibration in your vocal tract. And I have some examples for you guys. In initial position I have thanks and theory. In medial position, we have anything and everything. In final position, as you can see, I have bath and both. So, don't forget guys, this sound, this phoneme, is interdental fricative voiceless sounds. Thank you so much guys, and see you.